Welcome guys back to Scooter to Review. Look what I got today. That's gonna be interesting ride. Kamu rekam lawan. We start on the bigger engine. Little engine, bro. कर like this. My balls are hurting right now. But I like the position. Like your legs really are doing a lot of work, so you have no excuse. Yeah, and I'm getting used to this position. I have to say, if you're standing still, it's very difficult to keep it. How to do that? How to keep up? I'm shaking actually, to be fair. Oh, come on. No. It's the track. What's going on in the center? More interesting than 50, but it's not so even though it's 450cc, it is fun. And it has a kick. All I need actually for the start. And I'm training my legs now, because normally I don't like to train legs, but here you have to, otherwise your hand get very painful very fast. The red lights on it. Let's find it. Oh, neutral, so yeah, I didn't really check the stats. I thought I was gonna ride 675 today. I'm kind of glad I don't, because it's a new position for me. Until now I was driving MT-07 and XSR 700, which is upright. This is now something completely new for me. And yeah, going straight up to the 3-cylinder would be 2 new things in one day. So I have to say, this is very interesting motorcycle. It's Chinese and all, but I like it. Here we go. It really makes you, it gives you this confidence. I can go fast if I want to. It gives you this confidence. You could just overtake people, not because you're a good guy, but it's so easy. Difficult to maneuver comparing to the scooter driving, 30 kilometers per hour. But it's easy to go over the speed limit. Let's do it. But at least not on CFMOTO, I guess. It's insane, man. It's not even like a 600cc improvement. All you need, trust me, man. All you need. Everything else is pure adrenaline junkie. And it's still quite expensive, you pay 1,000 more and you get 600, and you would say to yourself, I think this one is no pricing here, I think it's 5,700, 5.7, and the bigger one is 7 something, so it's not so much more expensive, right? But do you really need it? It's a triple cylinder. This one is 2-cylinder. I guess it makes a difference. It's smoother if you have more cylinders, but yeah, I guess that's something that breaks the character of a sports bike. It needs to be smooth. You want to scream right now. It's a tractor a bit, but still it's quite smooth. It's a nice bike. I like it. I think every bike is actually, it's okay. Firing don't, it's not really fast. It's a very cheap bike compared to the concurrent. It's okay. I need to practice under. Almost dropped. It's easy for me to drop. Oh, neutral. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's a solid bike. I mean, my balls are hurting, but yeah, I cannot have it all, right? To be riding on this for like few hours now. This is just to, you know, if you're in the city, you have a few kilometers to go. Cylinder. Yes. Yeah, this is annoying going slow because it's not so bad, to be honest. You can live with it. That's a skill you need to attain after a while. You really go slow. That's also a test and I mean, look, it's a 2-cylinder, so it's not a screamer. You have power down low. So it's, you know, it's again, it's a sport bike, so it's not a great commuter. But if you want to look cool, great bike. And it's new, it's an underdog, so you get more than you pay for actually. Now, how it will age, that's also why I pay less, right? Because they need to prove themselves. CFMOTO has a long history of ATVs, and they were doing great, right? So why wouldn't they do two-wheel glass, right? It should be fun. So I think if you go with CFMOTO, you cannot really miss. The efficiency out of the engine is not so great. This one goes against Ninja 400 and R3 from Yamaha. Both have much smaller capacity and gives a similar power out. This one looks much cooler. It has LEDs, has a tank, connect the phone to it. Also tank at the back is great, but it also has a 5-year guarantee, so I guess it should be fine. You cannot miss. It's a great bike, but it feels the future. For sure, much more than competition. Top class and drive more, huh? It's a great bike. You cannot screw it up. You disable the back. If you just want to have a bike to actually use, that's it. That's it. Just to use, not to use travel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.